Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just got a new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and I wanted a good screen protector that will protect the screen of this phone. So I was searching through Amazon and stumbled upon this EST tempered glass screen protector which my 5-year-old can install. So this protector had some great review on Amazon. Also, I've used ESR product before. I've no doubts about the quality and durability. I paid about 15 US dollars and inside the box you get 3 screen protectors, and on the box it says military grade protection and durable 9H scratch resistant glass. And you get this easy installation tray where you can put the screen protector inside and you can drop the phone on top of it and close it and just pull this tab. That's it, you are done. So with that said, let's open and see what's inside. There's some paperwork here. Let's open it and see. Here's a scan to watch a quick setup video and some instructions on how to install the screen protector. And here is the warranty guide, and it says active 24 months warranty and easy replacement with no return needed. So in case if your product comes with damage or wrong item, or it doesn't work or fit properly, or quality issues, you'll be able to keep that for yourself and get a replacement. So inside this you have got 3 wet wipes and a microfiber cloth to clean the screen and dust removal stickers. Let's keep them aside. And here are 3 screen protectors you have inside. Just drop this here. Now let's take the wet wipe and clean the screen. Now wipe the screen with the microfiber cloth. Once you're done, take this dust removal sticker, and if you find any dust on the screen, just remove it. Okay, now drop the phone facing down and close this and press here and pull this tab like this. That's it, you are done. Perfect. It came out really well. As you can see, it's done neatly and there are no bubbles. So now you can just remove this and throw it off. And when you want to install the second screen protector next time, you can just remove this and drop it into this and do the same process again. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video.